Hi, in this tutorial, I will walk you through how to connect or use your StormerHost domain name with your Blogger website. By linking your domain name to your Blogger account, visitors can read your blog by typing your domain name rather than your website name .blogspot.com. This is not only convenient, but it also adds a touch of professionalism to your free blog. My name is Alice from StormerHost. Let's get started. Log into your StormerHost Client Area. Click on Domains. This takes you to the My Domains page. Click on the Manage beside the SSL status of the domain you want to connect to your Blogger. I will be connecting my shdemo.com domain to my Blogger website, so I will click on the Manage beside the SSL status of the shdemo.com. This takes you to the Domain Management page. On your right, under the Manage section, click on Nameservers. The Nameservers page opens. Select Use Custom Nameservers and enter our free DNS Nameservers, that is ns5.stormerhost.com to ns8.stormerhost.com in the spaces provided. Then, click on Change Nameservers. You can skip this step if your domain is already pointed to the required domain name service, that is the ns5.stormerhost.com to the ns8.stormerhost.com. Log into your Blogger. On your left, select Settings. This takes you to the Settings page. Scroll down to the Publishing section. Then select Custom Domain. A pop-up appears. Enter the domain name beginning with www. Then click Save. Another pop-up appears, instructing you to create 2 CNAME records. Note, the pop-up also contains details for the CNAME records you are to create. Go back to your StormerHost Client Area to create the CNAME records. On your right, under the Manage section, select DNS Management. This takes you to the DNS Management page. Note, if DNS Management doesn't appear in the links listed under the Manage section, that means you didn't enable the free DNS Management add-on when placing your domain registration order. You can contact our support team to have this enabled for your domain. On your right, under the DNS Management section, select Manage CNAME Records. The Manage CNAME Record page opens. Click on Add a new CNAME record. Copy the first host name and canonical name from the pop-up message in your Blogger and paste in the fields provided. Enter 7200 for the TTL value. Then click Add Record to add the first record. On your right, under the DNS Management section, select Manage CNAME Records to create the second record. Click on Add a new CNAME record. Copy the second host name and canonical name from the pop-up message in your Blogger and paste in the fields provided. Enter 7200 for the TTL value, then click Add Record to add the second record. You can click on the Manage CNAME Records again to view the records created. Note, you have to wait for about 30 minutes to 1 hour for the DNS update to take effect before you continue to the next step. After the wait period, go back to your Blogger account. Click on Settings, then Custom Domain under the Publishing section. Enter your domain name beginning with www. in the pop-up and click on Save to complete the process. If successful, it will be saved for your custom domain. Finally, enable the redirect domain under the Publishing section and the HTTPS availability under the HTTPS section. That's all. Enter your custom domain in your browser to access your Blogger website. Try clearing your browser cache if website is not accessible. Please note, it may take 24 to 48 hours for the connected domain to be accessible in your browser due to the name servers change. This is known as DNS propagation. So, do not be bothered when you get site can't be reached as the feedback. You only have to wait for DNS propagation to complete at your end. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.